Hi everyone, it's Regina from The Balance Bite. It's December 1st and you know what that means, it's Vlogmas. So this year I want to bring you 25 days of a lot of fun. I'm gonna make some delicious recipes, have a few grocery hauls here and there, hopefully, and a little peek into my life during the holiday season. For meal prep tips, we're gonna be doing some of the recipes that have kept me on track and some more as well. And we're going to balance that with some holiday treats, some good old-fashioned holiday treats. And when we go behind the scenes, you can see what it's like to have a YouTube channel, especially a cooking channel, what it takes to get there, how to be organized, etc. Well, we're going to try anyway. This is all an experiment for me as well. You know, I wanted to mention, I've said this plenty of times before, I did have weight loss surgery in March of this year, 2024. And as of to date, I've lost around 65 to 70, depending on the day or the week. It's closer to 65 right now. You know, there are people that have lost a lot more weight than I have, and they're very strict on their carb count, and they're very, you know, high protein. Some are carnivore, some are keto. And I think that's great. It's just not for me. For me, I need a balance, and I need to have carbs in my meals in order to feel satisfied and good. And I kind of take, I would say I have kind of a French or European approach to life, you know, like everything in moderation. And I weekly lose about 2 pounds a week. So I'm happy with that. So with that said, let's go ahead and show you some of the recipes that I've made this year. So I've made a variety of things. I like a lot of vegetables and I make a lot of Brussels sprouts. I love breakfast burritos in the morning, and so I made the McDonald's knockoff version with a full flour tortilla. I love carrots, and there's a great air fryer recipe I have on my shorts page that you can check out. And some banana bread with some orange cream cheese. That was a splurge for, you know, the day after Thanksgiving yesterday, I guess that was. And then, you know, some chicken salad. I made a Chipotle bowl one time that was low carb. Some kind of, you know, a mix and match, and that really works for me. I don't have any restriction. I just eat 3 meals a day, and that's what's been working for me. So my goal is to keep this sustainable, make this a lifestyle change for me. And this is my first holiday, so this vlog is also an accountability tool for me as well. And then tomorrow I'm going to be showing you what I eat in a day. And yeah, and then we'll be following it up with some how to decorate the house and cleaning out the refrigerator and making some more meal prep recipes, etc. So I'm really excited. Stick around and I'll see you guys tomorrow. If you guys are interested in my journey this you know, Christmas season, please follow me along, hit that, hit that subscribe button and the like button. And please comment and let me know how you guys that are on a weight loss journey or you're maintaining your weight, what you do during this time of the year. Special thanks to all my new subscribers. I can't thank you enough. This has made the journey worthwhile. Thank you guys for watching, and I look forward to this in the next, I guess, 24 days. Bye for now.